Hello, Kardom, Namaskar. Welcome back to my another reaction video. So today I'll be reacting to O More Apuna Days, a repressed version covered by Kalmavizo Mar. So let's get into it. Oh, O More Apuna Days, Kalmavizo Mar. I think that is Koka. Koka or Panimor, you can say. Oh my. Oh my. She looks so cute. Oh my, she's so talented. Oh, I wish I could sing like her. I think she must be 5 or 6 years old. I don't know. If you guys know, please comment down below. Oh my, that's it? Oh, it's too short. Wow, that's so heartwarming. The song and the girl, she's so talented. Literally, I'm speechless right now. But first, a big congratulations and thank you to the production team for bringing up such a beautiful video. And yes, everything is very beautiful. And like I said, I'm speechless, so I can only say a very all the best to the little girl, Kalmavizo Ma. And in case if you want to know, this song, O More Apuna Days, is a state song of Assam, or you can say a state anthem of Assam. Written by Lakshminath Bezbarua and a tune by Kamala Prasad Agarwala. And the interesting part is that this song came from among the finest poems written by Lakshminath Bezbarua. So, thank you so much for watching till here. And if you want to watch the official video, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you like it, please give a like. And if you don't like it, feel free to give a dislike. And if you want to say something, please comment down below. I love reading them. So, that's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.